Hey, what's up guys? Chris here with AC, and I'm back at Universal Studios Hollywood for another update on Fast and Furious and also everything happening with CityWalk and the security checkpoints. It's been a few weeks. We've had rain, I've been sick, my cat was sick, so it's really nice to be back here. Let's check everything out. I'm up here on the roof of Jurassic Parking, which is a spot I'm normally not at. I'm usually much further down, but it's giving me a really cool perspective of everything. And look at this. They have poured concrete and tons of concrete everywhere. And they're doing it right now. There's more going in. A lot of progress since I was here. There's rails that go up the ramp here. All sorts of stuff. This is looking like it'll be done in the next couple months. Got to get some asphalt in and some landscaping. But here it is over here. And then you can come down a little bit further here. You just look at this. Beautiful, beautiful day. Love this here. They've mostly finished up the roof. Looks like they just might have a gutter system or something that they're gonna put. No, not a gutter system because that's the peak of the roof. Anyway, they're still doing some work there. And then coming around over here, let's take a peek. Oh yeah, there's the wall that they were working on last time. And then out in the distance, we used to have a bunch of palm trees out there. They were ripped out. And now it looks like they're gonna be putting up a giant perimeter fence because now all the CityWalk is gonna be inside the security zone. And I guess if you don't wanna walk through security, or I'm sorry, through CityWalk itself, you can walk along the back side of the building, between the building and the new fence that they're putting up, and then that'll take you all the way over to the front gate. And there's a bunch more fences over there, temporary fences. I'll go check that out. Well, I'm not taking these escalators. They're both being worked on right now. Okay, well anyway, let's go over here. We'll check out the other security checkpoint while I'm at it. This checkpoint isn't as exciting to see. There really isn't that much. It's pretty tiny. The iFly sign is still up. That's strange. But anyway, this is it. Got another new fence over here. This was all open last time I was here. I'm gonna walk around, see how far this extends. Oh yeah, there's another one on the right here. They got a lot of construction fences all over the place here. There is a lot going on. They're ripping up more of the pavers as well. Yeah, look at this. All the way down the side. Yeah, there's a lot. All right, let's see what's new today. Hopefully get to see some testing. If not, you know, that's okay. It's been a while. Oh, I spy something new. Oh, so exciting. Let's go take a look. Okay, I was lying. It wasn't super exciting, but we have a new signage on the side of the building here talking about additional restrooms. Well, so far it's quiet here at the station, and looking over at the Shield, they have installed a bunch more glass, but it is a very, very slow process. Yeah, kind of a whole lot of nothing. I'm peeking in and there's no trains in the station, at least not yet. The big change on the Hillside is that they have installed a bunch of black erosion cloth, and there's also these gabion walls, these metal cages filled up with rocks, and this will help prevent all this dirt from eroding. If the concept video is correct, this is just going to be gravel, unfortunately. I'm still holding out hope that we get some trees and bushes over here, but it's, you know, it's a small little area. Worksite is relatively quiet. There are some people on site, but not a whole bunch yet, at least from what I can see over here. Bunch of those old erosion snakes that are just piled up over there. And just a quick look out here. Oh, hey, whoa. They've started putting glass on the sound shield over here. I was not expecting this to get done until they finished over by the escalators, but hey, they're doing both at the same time. And this one, they could work all day long if they wanted to, because they don't have to lift glass over the heads of guests. They've actually installed more glass than I realized. Some of it's kind of hard to see with the angle of the sun, so it looks like it's not even there, but yeah, it's coming down all the way here on this side, kind of in sporadic sections. Still working on this piece that sticks out from the side to prevent anybody from dropping stuff on the coaster. And then over here in the queue, there's a bunch of string lights. So that's new. And then they are continuing to work on the structure that goes over the staircase. There's wires that are stretched between the metal poles. So I think it's just gonna be like a lightweight mesh that covers it. Work continues on the perimeter fence as the studio tram goes by. And then they were working on the top of this wall last time, and it looks like they've finished it with those horizontal cables going across, just like I was figuring they're gonna do. And then over here, oh, let me show you something over here. This is pretty awesome. They are finally installing, or they have the footings for the sound wall that's gonna go over here. I knew it was gonna happen at some point, and I don't even think this is coming across on video well. I did see some other people cover this. Seeing these in person, they're massive. These footings are like, I mean, if you look at the footing here, this is about the same size, except it's square. Also over here, you can see all the concrete busted up. That's where they had that old footing that was there for the longest time, or the big I-beam that was sticking up. There's still a little bit left there, but I'm sure that'll just get buried now. My big concern though is that, well, can't see it really kind of in the distance. The tree, the vinyl covering that they have that looks like trees that are on the sound wall, they look good from a distance, but up close they don't look great. And so my fear is that if they have these here, it's not gonna look great. But I guess we'll see what happens. And then the bottom side of this covering over the stairs. Yeah, not a lot of work in 3 weeks. Some more small work happening by the utility building over here. And if you look at the trees on this retaining wall, you can kind of see how, it doesn't look the best. And then coming over here, all this is gonna get blocked by a sound wall. I imagine it'll go up just slightly higher than the track. Probably not too much higher. It's kind of interesting, you're gonna have a sound wall here, but then there's absolutely nothing covering the stall. My guess is that they're gonna be rotating the cars away from me, so the sound will be going towards the upper lot and not the lower lot and the back lot and everything else. Well, this is it. Here's another view of the glass that they've installed on the furthest element. And splash on Jurassic World. It's kind of cool when you're here. You can kind of get a better idea of the elevation change, because kind of looking still slightly up at that element. But as I come across here, you're looking way up at that one over there. And here's another look at all the glass that they've installed. You can get a better look here because of the angle. You can see the tint on the glass. All right, good news. The maintenance bay door opened just a little bit ago, and we have a train in the station. This is a pretty good sign. I'm willing to bet they're going to be doing some testing here if they rolled it out of the maintenance bay. Oh, so they're bringing out water dummies. This is the exciting coverage that I know everybody wanted to see. You didn't want to see any testing. You just wanted to see water dummies get craned out of the maintenance bay. Just hanging out, hoping that it tests. But check this out over here. At some point today, they poured concrete for all the footings for the sound wall. Hopefully in the next week or so, we can see a sound wall go up. It's gonna be really close here. Anyway, I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit longer. It's about 4:30, and with the train in the station, you know, you never know. You never know. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it from here at Universal Studios Hollywood. No testing today, unfortunately, but I'll be back really soon. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.